Orubazo rwa Purezidenti Museveni orihirwe Major General rwahebwa Major Jessica Alupo oriyo muhezi we najangwa abashaho nibakora umurimo muhango mu ihanga ngo bakakora cyango omukurwanisa uburire bwa COVID-19.
Some challenges including disease outbreaks and pandemics, but nurses have been displaying dedication and a will to save lives. We saw you working tooth and nail, risking your lives to redeem the lives of your brothers and sisters during the tough period of COVID-19 wave, and you are doing so again now with the recent red eyes outbreak.
Muhezi or Minister w'ibyo kwerinda na government inentekateka yo kuhindura za health center zona eziriya hidara rya kabiri zikaza hidara rya health center ya kashatu kandi burugomborera hati neza kubeyine doctor.
And I sit of course in the cabinet. The program of government under the National Development Plan is to turn all health center 2s to health center 3s. And again, because of the good government policy of paying scientists a very good salary of 4 million, 5 million, many doctors are coming back serving government. And because of that, the plan of government is to take doctors to health center 3, so that a doctor is at a sub-county level. Yes, thank you for clapping, because that means a lot. That at every sub-county, the
staff is at 63%. Lack of district hospital makes the referral process incomplete. We applied for one and we are pursuing it very seriously. We need it. And the funding of operations and services, especially medicines and other medical supplies and commodities. Inadequate accommodation for health workers at all levels. Only 10% of the staff access shared accommodation at their places of work. Inadequate and lack of transport at health center 2 and 3 for outreaches and other administrative functions. Most buildings are in a dire need for major renovations.
Still very few. Somebody works 3 times in one shift. Your Excellency, now these nurses you see here, one works in the morning, the same nurse works in the afternoon, the same nurse works in the evening. Contrary to the standing orders. Standing orders tells us that only 8 hours. 8 hours is not observed in all facilities. Is that not the thing? Yes, so please, we need more recruitment of nurses, expand health sector, allow Minister of Health to have more nurses and more midwives so that they don't get burnout and they don't get problems and their bags and everything, and they will lose the
tobasa kugamba ubuhereza bw'amagara utagambire ahabazalisa hamwe n'abanasi. Omuntu yarwara utakayikira doctor urabanza hamunasi. Omunasi arakora na doctor obano munsi yeta kushemeza obanikahe arateka kubayino munasi habose. Ni cyacu mwe n'abazalisa waza kwisha mu nsomo uraboletenga ubuhereza bw'abantu.
Major Alupo yajangwa obusinjo buroho hati obwaresirwe government ya NRM nubwo burukureta baja guze mukoro nkeji. Gasha kwa Dan basibye.